morning students. In this video we study about the problems in group theory. The problem is, show that A comma star is an abelian group where A is equal to A belongs to Q such that A not equal to minus 1. One condition is given. The condition is A not equal to minus 1. Suppose we take the one element that A, that element is not equal to minus 1. And for any A comma B belongs to A such that A star B equal to A plus B plus AB. In this problem, the star is an operator. And then prove A comma star is an abelian group. A comma star is an abelian group. So first we prove star is A comma star is a group. So group means we satisfy the four properties. First property is star is closed. Star is closed. Second property, associative. Third, so identity exists. Fourth, so inverse exists. So associative star is closed means we take any two elements in that A, that element is in A. And associative means we take the any three elements in that A such that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. And third, identity exists. This identity exists means A star is equal to A. And the inverse exists means A star A inverse is equal to E. First we prove, claim star is closed. Let A comma B belongs to A. A comma B belongs to A. A comma B belongs to A such that A is not equal to minus 1 and B is not equal to minus 1. ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் எடுக்கிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் A எடுக்கிறீங்க. இந்த எலிமெண்ட் A ஆனது ஸ்மால் a ஆனது A ல இருந்தனா the condition is A not equal to minus 1. Now we take the second element B. So the B element is also not equal to minus 1. To prove A star B is not equal to minus 1. அப்போ A star B not equal to minus 1 னா இதில் A star B not equal to minus 1 means A star B belongs to A. Is enough to prove. So enough, that is to prove A star B belongs to A. A star B belongs to A. Suppose we prove the contradictory. Actually we prove A star B not equal to minus 1. So A not equal to minus 1, B not equal to minus 1. So that is to prove A star B is not equal to minus 1. A star B is not equal to minus 1. Suppose A star B equal to 1. So that is, we define A star B. So A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB equal to 1. So that is equal to A plus B plus AB minus 1 equal to 0. So that is equal to A plus 1 combined in these values. So that is equal to A plus 1. Here this is minus 1. A plus B plus AB equal to minus 1. The condition is A plus B plus B equal to minus 1. A star B equal to minus 1. A star B not equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1 plus 1. So A plus 1 plus B into A plus 1 equal to 0. So that is A plus 1 and 1 plus B equal to 0. That is A plus 1 equal to 0 or B plus 1 equal to 0. That is A equal to minus 1 or B equal to minus 1. Actually prove A star B belongs to A. So A star B belongs to A means A star B is not equal to minus 1. So we prove this contradictory. Suppose A star B is equal to -1. So we get A equal to -1 or B equal to, so A star B equal to -1 இருக்கும்போது condition என்ன வருதுன்னா A equal to -1 வருது, B equal to -1 வருது. So already we take A is not equal to -1, which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. So therefore A star B is not equal to -1. So A star B is not equal to -1. Therefore A star B belongs to A. Therefore we take the any two elements in A such that A star B belongs to A. Therefore A comma star is closed. So again we explain this condition. Claim A star is closed. So we take any two elements in that A such that, suppose this is a given problem where A is equal to A belongs to Q such that A is not equal to -1. So we take the one element A belongs to capital A is not equal to -1 and B not equal to -1. We prove A star B is not equal to -1. Suppose we take A star B is equal to -1. So this A plus B, A star B is defined A plus B plus AB, A plus B plus AB equal to -1, A plus B plus AB plus 1 equal to 0, then A plus 1 plus B into 1, A plus 1 equal to 1, A plus 1, 1 plus B equal to 0, then A plus B equal to 0 or B plus 1 equal to 0, A equal to -1 or B equal to -1. So A equal to, so இப்படி பண்ணும்போது A equal to, so இந்த கண்டிஷன் எடுக்கும்போது A equal to -1. So the assumption is wrong. ஆனால் assumption இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்ததுனால தான் இப்படி வந்திருக்கு. பட் இந்த already we define A is not equal to -1. So assumption is wrong. So we take A star B is not equal to -1. Therefore A star B belongs to A, hence A star is closed. Second, we prove star is associative. Let A comma B comma C belongs to A such that A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Okay, to prove A comma B belongs to A such that A star B star C equal to A star B star C. First we take the LHS. A star B star C equal to A star, what is B star C? B plus C plus BC. So that is equal to A star B is equal to A plus B plus C plus BC plus A into B plus C plus BC. So that is equal to A plus B plus C plus BC plus AB plus AC plus ABC. So that is equal, that is called 1. Then now we take the RHS. A star B star C equal to, what is A star B? A plus B plus C, sorry, A plus B plus AB. A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. So A plus B plus AB star C. So A plus B plus AB plus C plus C into A plus B plus C. A plus B plus AB. So that is equal to A plus B plus AB plus C plus CA plus CB plus ABC. So that is A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC. That is called 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A star, from 1 and 2, A star B star C equal to A star B star C. A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is, so for A comma star is associative. Then we prove the identity. 3. So identity exists. Let A belongs to A such that A star E equal to A. That is identity property. A star E is equal to A. So that is A plus AE equal to A. So that is cancelling these two. So E into 1 plus A equal to 0. 1 plus A is equal to 0. So E equal to 0. The reason is 1 plus A is not equal to 0. That is A is not equal to minus 1. Then 4 inverse property. So what is the condition for the inverse? Let A belongs to A and B is the inverse of A. Otherwise you write A star A inverse equal to E. That means the inverse of A is A dash. So in this problem we introducing two variables, two constants, A arbitraries A and B. So A belongs to A and B is the inverse of A. That is to write A star B equal to E. So that is A star B equal to, so E is equal to 0. So that is equal to A plus B plus AB equal to 0. Okay. So that is combine these two, or you write the value is equal to B plus AB, that is B plus AB is equal to minus A, or B into 1 plus A equal to minus A, or B equal to minus A by 1 plus A. B equal to minus A by 1 plus A. B equal to minus A by 1 plus A. Therefore, which is a inverse element. Therefore, we satisfies all the properties. One is closed, first one is closed, second one is associative, third one is identity, and fourth one is inverse. So the inverse of the problem is B equal to minus A by 1 plus A. Therefore, A comma C. Therefore, it satisfies all the four properties. Therefore, A comma star is a group. Now we prove abelian. Claim abelian. That is to prove A star B equal to B star A. So A star B is equal to, we define A plus B plus AB. So that is equal to, then A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB, and B star A is equal to B plus A plus AB. So dot is associative. So A plus B plus AB equal to A star B. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is abelian. Or we write, therefore, G comma star is abelian group. G comma star is a abelian group. Okay, thank you.